Mazda's CEO just released plans for a brand new pickup truck with a starting price of just $18,000, and it's shaping up to be exactly what the American truck market has been desperately missing. If you've been watching compact pickup prices climb past $25,000 year after year, wondering if an affordable, genuinely capable truck will ever exist again, this is the announcement you've been waiting for. And no, there are no compromises. This new Mazda B2000 is arriving with a hybrid powertrain targeting 40 miles per gallon, a cargo bed that outgrows the Maverick, and Toyota engineering underneath. Let's check it out. Back to US. Long before the Maverick, long before the Santa Cruz, Mazda was already in the compact pickup business in North America and doing it well. The B-Series trucks, particularly the B2000, built a loyal following that still exists today. These were honest, dependable machines that didn't overcomplicate things. They hauled what you needed, used fuel wisely, and kept repair bills low. When Mazda walked away from the US truck market in 2006, a lot of buyers felt that exit deeply, and that fan base never really moved on. Online communities dedicated to Mazda's old pickups are still active, parts suppliers still thrive, and the B-Series nameplate continues to come up anytime enthusiasts talk about what they wish the compact segment still offered. That kind of loyalty doesn't disappear, and it doesn't go unnoticed by the people running the brand. The compact pickup segment in America has been running on fumes in terms of real choice. The Maverick is a fine vehicle, no question, but it's no longer the bargain it was at launch. Prices are climbing every year, and the double cab-only configuration leaves a large segment of buyers completely unserved. Contractors, farmers, small business owners, weekend workers, they're all searching for something the current market isn't giving them. Mazda's return is being built specifically around that gap. The brand's history here makes this comeback more than just a business decision. It carries genuine meaning for a lot of people. But a strong story alone doesn't sell a truck. The design has to back it up, and what Mazda is planning in that department is going to turn some heads. Design. The new Mazda pickup is going to look like nothing else in its class, and that's the point. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has consistently produced vehicles that age better than the competition, and this truck will carry that same philosophy forward. Expect the clean, sculpted surfacing that defines the CX-5 and CX-50 applied to a body style that hasn't seen this kind of design attention in years. Sharp lines, a refined front end, and proportions that look purposeful rather than bloated. That's the visual direction. Anyone who has loaded a Maverick bed knows the feeling. You plan for a full haul, and the bed runs out before the cargo does. That limitation becomes a problem fast, whether you're moving materials on a job site or hauling gear for a weekend trip. The new Mazda pickup is being engineered to solve exactly that. The cargo bed is expected to be one of the more generous in the segment, with dimensions that push ahead of what the Maverick currently offers. Payload capacity is targeting around 1,500 pounds, and towing figures are expected to come in at approximately 2,000 pounds. In a class where every inch of bed length translates directly to usefulness, that's a meaningful advantage. Configuration options will also cover more ground than rivals do. Double cab serves family buyers, while the single cab variant, a configuration neither the Maverick nor the Santa Cruz offers, opens the door for commercial buyers who need a longer bed and a lower price. Mazda is planning to serve both, which gives this truck a reach that its direct competitors simply don't have. The design makes a strong case, but looks and bed size only go so far. What's under the hood is where things get really interesting, and the powertrain story might be the biggest surprise this truck has to offer. Powertrain. The powertrain lineup is where this pickup gets genuinely interesting. 3 options are being developed, covering a wide range of needs and budgets. The entry point will be a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, simple, proven, and tuned for efficiency over outright performance. Low running costs and straightforward maintenance are the priorities at this price point, and this engine is built to deliver both. Fuel costs are one of the biggest ongoing frustrations for pickup owners. Fill the tank often enough and a cheap truck stops being cheap in a hurry. That's exactly what a 2.5-liter hybrid setup is being developed to fix. Combined output from the engine and electric motor is expected to land at around 200 horsepower, while fuel economy projections are pointing toward 40 miles per gallon combined. That's a figure no compact pickup on the market is currently touching. For a buyer covering serious annual mileage, the savings start adding up very quickly. A plug-in hybrid is also in development for buyers who want meaningful electric-only range on shorter commutes without sacrificing flexibility on longer runs. All variants will pair with either a 6-speed automatic or an eCVT, and all-wheel drive will be available across the lineup, which is essential for a truck expected to perform in all 4 seasons. Impressive numbers on paper, but the real question is how Mazda plans to deliver all of this at a price that actually makes sense, and the answer comes down to one very powerful partnership. Toyota partnership. A truck with this level of engineering, this breadth of powertrain options, at a starting price of $18,000 doesn't come together without serious structural advantages. Mazda has one, and it's a significant one. The company's deepening relationship with Toyota has made this kind of product possible at this kind of price. The Mazda Toyota manufacturing facility in Huntsville, Alabama is already proving what this partnership produces. The CX-50 and the Toyota Corolla Cross share the same production floor there, with infrastructure costs split in ways that directly keep prices competitive. The new pickup is going to join production at this facility, eliminating tariff exposure and locking in a cost structure that overseas assembly simply couldn't match. One of the biggest hesitations any buyer faces with a returning nameplate is reliability. A truck from a brand that's been out of the segment for nearly 2 decades raises fair questions. Platform sharing with Toyota answers them directly. Mazda is gaining access to chassis architecture validated across tens of millions of vehicles worldwide, the kind of credibility that takes decades to build independently. The hybrid powertrain carries the same assurance. The 2.5-liter hybrid system shares its architecture with Toyota's widely proven setup, giving buyers confidence in long-term ownership rather than uncertainty about an unproven system. The result is a truck that drives with Mazda's athletic character and backs it up with Toyota's reliability reputation. It's a combination that would be difficult to argue against at any price, let alone this one. So the engineering foundation is solid, the powertrain options are genuinely impressive. But none of it matters if the price tag puts it out of reach, so let's talk numbers. Pricing and release date. $18,000. That is where the new Mazda Pickup will start, and it's a number worth pausing on. The Maverick is already past $25,000 on most trims and climbing steadily. The gap between what buyers want to pay and what's actually available has never been wider. This truck is being built to close that gap. Production is about to begin within the next 2 to 3 years, placing the North American debut at approximately 2027. Assembly at the Huntsville plant keeps the cost structure lean, and Mazda's supply chain efficiency plan, targeting a 6% reduction in production costs, will further support competitive pricing across all trims. Base models open at around $18,000. Mid-range hybrid variants are expected to sit well below $30,000, and even the top-spec versions are being engineered to stay within reach of the buyers this truck is designed for. The base gets the essentials right, the mid-tier adds the hybrid powertrain, and the top trim brings comfort and refinement without crossing into pricing territory that defeats the whole purpose of the vehicle. The new Mazda Pickup is arriving with everything the compact segment has been lacking: a design that stands apart, a bed that actually works, powertrain options ranging from a simple 4-cylinder to a 40 miles per gallon hybrid, and a structural foundation built on one of the most trusted engineering partnerships in the automotive industry. The price starts at $18,000. The production is expected to be domestic. The reliability question is answered before it's even asked. For buyers who have been watching this segment with growing frustration, this truck is not just another option. It's the option that the market has owed them for a very long time. But keep in mind that this pickup is part of a much broader trend. Several other manufacturers are preparing their entries for this segment, and if you want to find out more, make sure to check out our video about Stellantis bringing a new player in the segment. It won't just be cheap, it will excel in many ways, including strong off-road performance and a high level of refinement.